Jai Hind everyone, Bharat Mata ki Jai. I am Vaibhav Anand, student of class 12 science. Today I stand before you to say a few words about the establishment day or about the Sthapna Divas of Jharkhand, that is 15 November. You may all be well aware about the fact that how our state was separated from Bihar and the identity it holds today in our nation. I would like to say a few words on Bhagwan Birsa Munda. He was born on 15 November 1875 and he died at a very young age of 25. In his glorious 25 years, he did very much and contributed his lot for the dignity of this state and the people of his lot. It is said that someday he was wandering randomly through a forest and it was raining and storming and he was thunderstruck. But he didn't die. Instead, he uprised with a roar. And from that onwards, people believed that he had supernatural powers, so they considered him as Bhagwan or their god. You may say whatever. So, this was his courage, and from then onwards, he was personified as a leader of the rebellion movement against the Britishers or the outsiders. They often referred to them as Dikus. Now comes Sido and Kanu Murmu. They were the leaders of the Santhal Rebellion 1855. You all know about the Martillo Tower present in the premises of the park in Pakur. As far as I know about it, during the Santhal revolt of 1855, the ground or a marshy area that is behind the park, just beside the Martillo Tower, the Santhals used to stay there and fight from that place. The Martillo Tower was built by the Britishers in a few course of time, maybe or a day or two, to protect themselves against the arrows which were shot by the Santhals. And you may have noticed one thing, that there is no roof over Martillo Tower. There is some kind of covering that it has. That time the Britishers did not build a roof over it. They thought that it was not necessary to protect it from upside. But the Santhals took a great step at that moment. They used to poison the tip of their bows and they used to shot it through that roof. Somehow they used to did so. Maybe it may be a myth or a fact, and that was how they used to conquer the battle they used to fought at that time. With these words, I would like to end my speech. Thank you.